Welcome back to a new video. So today I am going to be giving you a Bloxburg video. So in the last, a lot of things has changed from like 2 months ago. So I've got premium now, and I have got a new house. I know I did a house tour video, but I changed it a lot, and then I got this one that I'm very keen on, and I hope you guys are very keen on as well. I'll give you a mini little house tour, but not everything is finished yet. So I know you just saw a bit now, but here it is. Here's my house. So I'll just give you what I've built so far like a house tour. Oh, I need to turn the lights on. Okay, so we just got the hallway. We got the kitchen, and of course we just got the little bit, the shower. And then, oh, I love this garage door. I love these garage doors. Like, I'm in love with it. Like, I actually never got around to like colouring my old house, but this is my favourite room. It's like a little chill out area for like if anyone comes round. We've got my premium trophy, and then you can just sit down, watch the TV. I was a little bit broke when I made this room, so yeah. Don't judge me. But then I just got a simple little bedroom that I'm hoping to carry on. And this is the Supreme like guy with the mask. But yeah, so like it's completely normal. I'm just going to be checking the timeline over it because I don't want to make this episode too long. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a quick thing on what job to make 1,000 in like 57 seconds. That's like pretty good. So lots of people say it's pizza baker, but it's really not. So I'm going to be showing you what it actually is. So this is why this video is going to be so short, and as well, you know, can't even remember what episode we're on. But okay, so we gotta go work. So it is the delivery person. You see all these like people doing speed builds. Yeah. So I'm on the 10th promotion and 359 likes. Just like in 11 seconds, you know what I'm saying? So I might not get it in 54 seconds like I said, but I definitely get it very quickly. It depends what journey you're going, because sometimes you can get like the closest ones and sometimes you can get the furthest ones. So that kind of sucks, but it's like all worth it. And of course, like, you get to see all the houses along the way, and this car is deliberately overtaking me. Well done. Okay, test it. I know what test it. Okay. So, as you can see, I'm on the 10th promotion, but I do have a lot more promotions to go, because I used to think that pizza baking was really good. But then I tried out the delivery person, I was like, oh my gosh, this is actually giving me some dosh. So, but I don't have that much money at the moment, because I've like been building hotels, rebuilding them, because obviously I've got a second plot, and I used the second plot so much. Well, I'm not gonna get 1,000 in this episode in like 1 minute. So yeah, that's very nice. Oh well, we got it in 1 minute 13 seconds. I mean, that all counts. But that's just like another 1,000 adding on to me. So like, I'm not gonna do any more. But if any of you like think, oh, what job should I get? Like, get this one. Because as well, they do really nice parking spaces as well, like on the pizza bit. But as well, guys, I just want to tell you some updates on Bloxburg, and here's the right place to do it. So if you're new to Bloxburg, you can choose some houses that you can get. So you don't just have to get this one now. So you can pick different ones, so you know what I'm saying. So yeah. anyway, guys, I'm going to go back to my house now. Let's go back to my house quickly. Spick and spam. Oh my gosh. And guys, let me know in the comments, is your account on Roblox 13 plus? Because mine is. I don't know how. Because I don't know. Just one day it just said 13 plus. Because my sister's account is not 13 plus, it's like below that. But you know, it all counts. Okay. So guys, this does it for this short episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.